In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam name. We're updating your Steam profile name, the display name your friends and teammates see in chat, lobbies, and on leaderboards. This won't change your account login name or your custom profile URL, it's just the public name on your profile. Start by launching the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're signed in. You'll know you're logged in if you can see your avatar and current username in the top right corner. Click that username to open the menu, then choose View Profile. That takes you to your public profile page. On the right side of this page, click Edit Profile. In the General section you'll see a field labeled Profile Name. Click into that box and type the new name you want to use. A few quick tips while you're choosing: keep it recognizable so friends can find you, avoid special characters that some games might not render correctly, and make sure it follows the Steam community guidelines. That means no offensive or harassing content and no impersonation. Also, don't include personal details you wouldn't want visible to the public. Once you've entered your new name, scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Steam applies this immediately. You should see your new display name right away on your profile and across chats, games, and leaderboards. If you don't see it update in a game, give it a moment, refresh your profile, or restart the client. Some places cache names temporarily. There's no hard limit on how often you can change your profile name, but it's best not to switch constantly. Frequent changes can confuse your friends, make it harder for teammates to recognize you, and may lead to mixed results in communities that track players over time. If you're rebranding, consider sticking with one name for a while so people can learn it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.